Lead generation strategies. It takes marketing tactics to convert prospects into customers who can seal a deal. The move to attract these prospects is deeply grounded on the need to draw customers' attention for more sales. This particular process, attracting and converting customers into buyers of the product or brand in question, is referred to as a lead generation. Simply put, lead generation reflects the cultivation and identification of potential customers with the intention of convincing them to purchase. In the current digital age, lead generation companies have taken the lead in realizing business efficiency by delivering already warmed up leads directly to the business. In essence, such companies are pivotal in a business's bid to advertise its products or services. Make note, your marketing departments should rely on leads for targeting outreach, product campaigns, and advertising efforts. If leads sound good, then a lead magnet must be really superb. A lead magnet is that irresistible offering that propels the customers to do anything, including sharing contact information. In marketing, including digital marketing, a lead refers to persons with clear intentions and interest in products and services offered by a particular brand. A lead gets converted into potential customers, better referred to as prospect. From a sales context, a lead is more of a sales contact, and to others, it means a contact already determined to make a purchase. Regardless of business, online, or brick and mortar, constantly generating as many leads as possible is central in the business of success. Generating leads. For beginners and even experts in business, generating leads has never proven to be an easy feat. It may require a lot of work, thus the dire need to hire a lead generation company that specializes in client attraction and conversion, from potential customers into repeat paying customers. Zig Ziglar, when asked to comment on lead generation, uncovered a painful yet remarkable truth. You are out of business if you don't have a prospect. As the initial step towards unfolding the sales process, lead generation enables the development of a sales pipeline. However, the majority forget that lead generation ought to kick off with stimulation and capturing a prospect's interest in the product. It therefore marks a very engaging process that requires a marketer's mindset. Ultimately, both B2C and B2B ventures manage to nurture the targets until purchase readiness. Lead generation undertakings are centered on attaining both quality and quantity. Quality leads should guarantee high chances of closing. The same means these leads may portray high potential of becoming customers or buyers. With the digital era, shortcomings in achieving a continuous lead flow are inevitable. Nonetheless, there is always a solution to everything we seek. Nowadays, businesses have much sought access to a pronged attack on lead generation. It's worth restating that lead generation requires and calls for the nurturing of numerous lead sources across channels, which also require unique strategies. Why companies struggle with lead generation? Some businesses are counting a decade on top of another but still not hacking the lead generation game. Well, there are several reasons for such outcomes. Often the blame is directed to the marketing team, finance department for inadequate funding, etc. Even so, proper utilization of 21st century technology can yield better lead generation results. Let's get a picture of what poor lead generation campaigns look like. Little or no knowledge about the target audience. The results will be a massacre if the business hasn't defined the target audience. Strive to know the business and the product's target audience. Miscommunication. The marketing and sales teams are essential to qualifying prospects. Broken promises and lack of follow-ups also affect lead generation. Outdated data. Wrong insights. Keyword generation is a delicate process that requires up-to-date data. A company like Rubedo.ai has your data extraction needs sorted. Their data extractor guarantees quality and intended leads. Failure to use emails. Emails are considered an efficient way of storing and transmitting electronic data. Emails are still a great tool for lead generation. In fact, it's a top option for marketing channels. First goal mentality. Businesses are struggling with lead generation because they are much into selling on the first go instead of building trust. A prospect will ultimately transact if the trust is well founded. What is the solution for lead generation? Remember, the goal in lead generation is to turn an interest for a product service into a sale. While running an online business or conducting online marketing, a business has to collect every visitor's contact information. The collected contact is the lead. Possible solutions for you to generate leads for your new or existing business venture. Analyze your product as well as market. You need to know who will buy from you and where they are located. It's all about answering the what, who, where, and how. Knowing your prospects is an insightful tip in your lead generation campaign. Get the benefits of what you are selling right. Keeping these benefits in mind aids in evaluating the customer base. Embrace lead scoring. Don't forget the most basic thing, collecting contact. Once you do that, you already have a lead. Now the next noble thing is to score your leads. But how do you go about lead scoring? First, there is a dire need to tracing the visitor's demographics and psychographics. The demographics entail parameters like age, gender, location, and occupation. As for psychographics, take note of interest, personal traits, and lifestyle. Second, focus on how the visitors came to your site. Third, the most important, pay attention to the actions taken by the visitors for the time spent on the website. Therefore, the basis for lead scoring is actions, interactions, and engagements performed on the website. Research on successful competitor brands. Running away from this one fact is not easy. You must know your competitors, their brands, and how they are performing. After realizing the marketing channels and approaches employed by the competitor, niche marketing is the route to follow. Always be ready to pitch. There are customers looking for what you're selling everywhere. You have to find them. Lead generation is key to sales funnel for B2B companies. With some products and services costing thousands of dollars, web visitors are less likely to purchase from the website. Thus, collecting contacts and new leads allows for the nurturing of the customer prospects through email marketing before connecting salespeople to the qualified leads. Business experts, successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, and marketing heads recommend that these 3 lead generation tactics. Enrich your data to find new leads. Get more practical in enriching your database. A move to find B2B contacts is one profound way of getting new leads. Nowadays, lead generation companies can automatically enrich each row of your file with business information. Emails, companies, data, and even employees. Find B2B companies to enable you to go about your targeting and prospecting. There are over 15 million B2B companies worldwide. Thus, a company explorer is worth it. It is easier to get these B2B companies by country and size. Also, find B2C local businesses to enhance local business leads. The emails and phone numbers for local businesses are equally important. Such businesses include restaurants, gyms, hairdressing stores, and millions others. Finally, have a software that can guarantee to find domains from the company names. Accessing domains from a list of company names is overly tactical. For example, Amazon will give you Amazon.com. You can never go wrong with prospecting tools. Let alone the old ways of prospecting. Prospecting now is easier than ever. A business should not struggle extracting emails from social media platforms like LinkedIn and even web browsing. For instance, rubedo.ai has a software feature that extracts emails and contacts from LinkedIn profiles. The powerful prospecting tool or feature goes ahead to save all LinkedIn profiles automatically. These are ready solutions up for grabs. With the right prospecting tools, saves you time and energy. Such tools help gather information, automate repetitive tasks, and engage prospects meaningfully. Above all, these prospecting tools deliver the right messages to prospects. Build and discover emails to generate leads. Why spend days and weeks trying to build emails from CSV files? Quit the manual approach and have emails extracted and have email extraction, first name and last name, complete in seconds. Now let's sum it all. It doesn't matter if you're a small business owner or the head of sales at Google. Generating leads is a must. The good news is that the struggle is over. Having supported thousands of businesses in their quest to discover all online marketing tools, Rubedo AI is your business savior. As a multi-tool cloud-based platform, Rubedo AI wipes off the burden to extract contact leads, send unlimited emails, manage pipeline, CRM, create chatbots to increase conversions, and more. Having inspired you to get more leads and customers, let the best software for lead generation sort all online marketing needs. Working with a lead generation company will give you much more control over your campaign or future campaigns.